Hi everyone, Vince here. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about 6 money making apps and if they're actually worth it or not. Hope you enjoy. First of all, we have Fun Money, play and earn money. So this is what Fun Money looks like when you first launch it up. The whole concept is that we play games to earn straight up currency. And you can see if I play 39 minutes of this 2048 merge game, I can get $5. What you'll also notice as well is that it runs on a per minute basis, everyone. So while Fun Money really likes to promote this whole pay per minute type of system, let me explain more about it so you know exactly what's going on. First of all, let's check out the minimum cash out. So at least here in Australia, Fun Money has two different options available. We have both Amazon and PayPal cash out options. Amazon starts at a $5 minimum at 10,000 coins, going all the way up to $50 worth of Amazon for 100,000 coins. And heading over to PayPal, what you'll see is that it starts off at a $2 minimum for 5,600 of the coins, going to $4 for 11,000 of the coins, all the way down to $100 worth of PayPal cash for 280,000 of the coins, guys. What you'll notice is that it's obviously cheaper to cash out Amazon instead of PayPal, where we have PayPal at 140,000 for $50 worth of cash, and then we have Amazon at 100,000 for $50 worth of cash. On Fun Money, when you play your first game, you then unlock 4 new games. So let's play 2048 Blast Merge. Now, while this does sound all well and good, there's a few things we need to discuss about Fun Money that I noticed, especially with the developers, guys. Either way, we'll get 2048 Blast installed. Now, all we need to do is launch 2048 Blast up, and hopefully Fun Money will actually register our playtime, because what I noticed with applications like this is that sometimes it actually doesn't record the time you spend on the game, which is a big problem. But now heading back to Fun Money, you'll notice that it's actually registered that we've installed the game. So now if I play for 2 minutes, I can earn 2 of the coins. That's right, everyone, 2 coins per minute. You see, this is why these apps have so many problems in the world, alright? And this is why making money through games is so difficult as well. And this is what you generally don't get told by people. Alright, so now that's done, everyone, you can see we literally only earn 2 coins for playing about 2 minutes of the game. And now heading back to the home screen, you'll notice that everything has changed as well. Plus, I don't have the 4 new games they promised. Now for playing Brain Quest, I'll only get 6 coins per minute. And you'll notice that whole bonus for playing 39 minutes of a game for $5 has disappeared. I want to cash out $2 worth of PayPal and Fun Money and give you guys an update in a future video. Essentially, Fun Money makes a lot of promises that it doesn't keep. In fact, these developers really only pay one single time and then they never pay again in my own experience. I doubt I'll ever see this $2 worth of PayPal, by the way. I've had generally negative experiences now with every single application from the game tested developers, and I highly recommend you probably stay away from them at this point. It's just not worth the time, because 6 coins per minute is absolutely useless when you need like 10,000 to 5,000 coins minimum. Let's check out Grab Points. So this is what Grab Points looks like. Grab Points has some of the highest paying surveys I think I've seen on the internet. But not only that, they feature various offer walls and other methods for you guys to generate the Grab Points, which you can convert into gift cards or currency. They even allow you to watch videos to earn these Grab Points as well. Here are all the cash out options for Grab Points, at least in Australia. You can see here the minimum cash out is so low for each of these methods. And the thing is, these are all legitimately very well-known methods that we all use throughout our day. I absolutely love the $2 minimum cash out for PayPal, as well as the $3 gift card option and the $3 Amazon option. Here is the breakdown of the PayPal currency on Grab Points. 1,000 of the Grab Points currency converts into $1 USD. And what you'll see here is that it goes all the way down to $100 worth of PayPal for 100,000 of the Grab Points. Now, while I'm not going to go through every single offer wall and survey provider on Grab Points, I can at least show you there are surveys that are literally paying up to $10 almost, guys, and there are multiple of them. All you need to do is dedicate your time for it. Now, granted, with surveys, there's always disqualifications and screen outs, so keep that in mind, but this is fantastic to see. With so many different providers available, you can always earn through surveys on Grab Points. But what about if you dislike surveys? Well, on Grab Points, you have the option to play games to generate these points. Just check this out, everyone. It literally breaks down the currency for you, which is very helpful, by the way, but you have offers that are literally paying into the hundreds, if not high range of $100. So we have many offers that are willing to pay over $30 on the average, by the way. It is really, really nice to see. Plus, they have their huge variety of offer walls available as well if you want to browse through each of them. But to see a Vegas casino offer for $150 almost is outstanding. Plus, followed up by the Mafia City offer and the Cash Billionaire offer over $100, or hovering around that number. You don't really see that too often with these get paid to platforms lately. Now, while there's two options to watch videos to earn the Grab Points currency, these two options will actually pay different. If we head to Gamers Den TV, we can earn 3 hideout points for every video plus advertisement watched. First of all, you have to make sure you're actually logged in, by the way, and now you can see your account balance of hideout points and the video itself trying to load. So I have 27.8 hideout points. These 27 hideout points convert to 22.5 of the Grab Points currency, which is actually pretty decent all in all. Now, checking out Loot TV, again, we have videos that we can watch to generate these points. Here is the exact same concept as Hideout TV, by the way, except 20 of the Loot TV points converts into 15 of the Grab Points currency. So out of the two, at least here in Australia, Hideout TV seems to be better. My experience with Grab Points has been fantastic in the past. In fact, they usually pay you instantly, but sometimes it can take up to 1 day in my own experience. Over time, it does seem they're getting better and better. Now let's move on. I just thought I'd mention, please remember to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment to help my video get seen around the algorithm. Your help means everything. Thanks, guys. Next up, we have Gamey prizes, real cash games. Now, Gamey is one of these applications I really do want to love everyone, but there's a lot that people don't quite understand about it. This is what it looks like, by the way. And you'll notice at the top of the screen, I have $9.86 worth of USD currency, and then to the right of that, I have 9,236 tickets. Something else you'll notice that you'll see a 1.6 multiplication there, and that's because on Gamey you have an account where the longer you play the games for and actually level up your account, you get extra bonuses. It's pretty straightforward. We have many different games that we can play every single day that have a certain goal that we have to complete to actually achieve tickets for each of these titles. So if you have no idea what this ticket-based system does, let me just show you. If we're to tap the prizes button at the bottom of the screen, it's going to take you to the main area of Gamey, in my opinion, where the actual prizes are, because you can see that there's a weekly draw that just started of $820. It states, don't miss your chance to win because 1 ticket equals 1 chance to win. Essentially, the more tickets that you have on Gamey, the more chance you have to win the real money prizes. So there's a $10,000 lotto, by the way, that you can enter into, and also a lucky game system where you can win up to $100 in cash every day by getting a certain set of numbers, and you can also win up to $10 in cash every couple of hours. And that's by doing the exact same thing, by the way. Although, in my opinion, the main way this ticket-based system works is by the splitting system that happens every single day. You see, everyone, Gamey is a competitive platform. So today, there's $80 to be split against the top players of Gamey. The lower I go down this list, the less amount of money that's been given out to each of the players. That's because of their ticket count. It's a very straightforward concept, everyone. And once you wrap your head around it, you won't forget it. This goes all the way up to 50 users, by the way, every day that win money. I'm actually not the biggest fan of this type of system because it's chance-based and competitive-based, in my opinion. So realistically, if you don't generate enough tickets to get anything really worth considering, you're not really going to earn that much cash now, are you? I think that's why they have these little giveaway systems on Gamey, by the way, to try and counteract that. You can also spin a prize wheel if you want to as well on a daily basis, which is quite nice. They also have this premium shop here to either remove advertisements or give yourself other benefits, really, that real free users won't have. Again, I generally don't touch this area. You'll notice the freebies section, and this actually takes you to the offer wall that Gamey has for tickets. And this is how users get millions and millions of tickets, everyone. It's because they complete offers through Gamey's offer wall. They don't really play the games on the home screen. They focus on the offer wall that rewards with hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of the tickets. Again, I'm not a fan of the ticket-based currency system, but the choice is yours if you want to dedicate your time to that. The minimum withdrawal on Gamey is $10 United States currency, everyone. You can see I'm very close to it. The main reason why I was able to earn that money was from inviting you guys out there. So thank you very much. If you want to join via my link, you can join in the description below. Essentially, you get 70 cents and 500 tickets when you invite someone and they reach level 8. There's also an achievement system as well that can give you some tickets. And of course that ticket multiplier like I was talking about earlier, where the higher you go in level, the more unlocks you get and potential prizes that you can actually win. It's a pretty cool concept all around, but I just don't think it's going to be for everyone out there, okay? And that's why I'm talking about it today, because I always get asked about Gamey for some reason, and I've covered it many times before, by the way. Every time I've withdrawn on Gamey, they have paid me without any issues whatsoever, usually within about 3 to 4 days. It's not instant in my own experience, but they do pay, which is nice. I'm just letting you guys know I'm now starting a whole new website and opportunity for you guys out there to become full-time YouTubers. You can actually earn money creating content on things that you love, no matter what it is, with YouTube. And I plan on helping you get to that point. Check out the description of this video on how to join my own personal program for creating content on YouTube. Thanks. Next we have Moneywell, games for prizes. So depending on where you live, you're either going to have a great time with Moneywell or it's a complete waste. Here in Australia, this is what I get. It runs on a token-based currency system, everyone, where generally 5,000 of these tokens equals 60 cents or so. You can see straight away the games for you area is completely empty, but I can complete some surveys to earn these tokens. When I last used Moneywell, I didn't have this option at all. In fact, I actually had games that I could play. I have the earn with apps option, but this simply takes me to an offer wall with extremely low paying offers, mind you, which I highly recommend you stay away from. And then we have the earn with games tab, which is another offer wall with thankfully some better paying options available. But again, everyone, this isn't what Moneywell used to be. It used to run on a level based system and a per minute based system, which I'm sure you guys remember. At least here in Australia, Moneywell has definitely gone backwards, sadly, in my own opinion. There's also the extra earning area here, which is a BitLabs offer wall, which is pretty much the exact same concept as the other offer wall providers. You simply scroll down and pick the application that you want to try and complete for the certain amount of coins/tokens. I'm going to explain to you why this is very disappointing, at least from my own experience. Moneywell has completely removed the PayPal cash out options on their application, at least here in Australia, and I'm sure for a majority of you guys out there as well. This is terrible, okay? No one wants these discounts, or at least you add them on the side. All we literally have are these discounts for these online stores. So what you can do is essentially get discounts on popular stores around the world if you want to with the coins, but that's it. At least when I last cashed out on Moneywell, they did pay me within 2 days, but right now, the application is a complete waste in my opinion. Now let's talk about AppKarma, rewards and gift cards. So this is what AppKarma looks like when you launch it up. It runs on a coin-based currency system, which is very easy to understand straight away. You can see we almost have 10,000 of these coins. Tapping on the rewards button will reveal the withdraw options available in your own country. Here in Australia, I have 3 options, including PayPal, iTunes and Google Play. $3 worth of PayPal, it's 5,250 of the Karma points. Not only that, but this is available worldwide, everyone, supposedly. Plus, they actually refund you some points for free. For $5, it's 7,750, $10 is 14,500, $25 is 30,000, and $50 is 52,000 of the Karma points. The more you cash out, the more of a refund you get, by the way, which is pretty sweet. For iTunes and Google Play, it's a minimum of 20,000 points, and that's for $20, everyone. You can choose your country at the top of the screen, by the way. So, first of all, AppKarma has the Playtime Rewards area. So at least here in Australia, I only have one option to play here, which is Empires and Puzzles Match 3 RPG. I can get 22 coins per minute, up to 1,411 of the coins in total. So realistically, that's barely anything for the Playtime Rewards, but again, it can be completely different for you. At least now you know. There is a daily check-in area as well. This allows you to get some scratch cards that you can actually scratch to generate bonuses. I've just unlocked one of these scratch cards now. The only problem is you do have to watch an ad to activate it. Okay, so now I can scratch the card. I just got a ×3 reward there. Let's see what we can get straight off the bat. Got 4 dogs, which gives me 30 points. Again, not the best in the world, but it is something. Now, all I need to do at this point is simply scroll down a bit on the homepage and it reveals all the offers. Here you can see we have offers that are willing to give us thousands of these coins. But everyone, I just want to make this clear. These prices really are quite underwhelming, okay? So I truly believe that AppKarma can be paying you guys a lot more than what they are giving you. That doesn't necessarily make it a bad application, it's just I've seen better prices out there on the market. While you can get a few coins by watching video ads, and by exploring the fiber offer wall, which I think is severely underpaying people like at a criminal level, at least I can say that in my own experience, I was paid my PayPal currency without any issues. And usually AppKarma will pay within 2 to 3 days, guys. Sometimes up to a week. When you guys use my referral code, you can get free 300 karma points as soon as you enter it. You can find my link in the description below. Plus, I also earn 500 points and earn 30% of your earnings without affecting you. Now, here's an interesting one called Game Perks by Just Dice. So, Game Perks really did have me excited when I first saw it because, you know, being a Just Dice application, I thought I knew what I was in for. But on first glance here, guys, you can see that Game Perks looks pretty different to what we're used to. It runs on the standard Just Dice Coinbase system, and here you can see it claims that we can play these games to generate a certain amount of coins per minute, which again, we are used to with Just Dice apps. But the problem is, at least for me here in Australia, these don't work at all. So the time recording doesn't actually register when I play the games, which completely breaks it. Not only that, if I press the Get More Apps area, it takes you to a separate playtime rewards area that we're all used to. I can play Empires and Puzzles, and then I can play Spider Solitaire. Empires and Puzzles is willing to give me 11,000 of these coins, whereas Spider Solitaire will give me around 4,000 if I manage to get to the end. Straight away, you can see the difference in pay rates here between the two games, which is definitely going to put some people off straight away. But okay, let's combine these two prices here to say we can earn about 15,000 of the coins. That's probably after tens of hours of gameplay, by the way. Tapping on the cash out button at the bottom of the screen will allow you to see the standard discount area of the Just Play applications, which again, I've just shown you in Moneywell, so I'm sure you guys know exactly how this works. But then we actually have the More Payouts tab, which reveals PayPal currency. Alright, so here you can see we actually have the standard pay rates for every Just Dice application that we've ever covered. There's nothing different about it, which is good to see at least. Thanks to that welcome bonus, I just have to play a game for a little bit to try and cash out the minimum 67 cents. So since the home screen games don't work, I'm going to have to use the standard playtime rewards area. So let me just install Empires and Puzzles, because I actually had a problem with Game Perks where it wouldn't pay me hardly any of the coins, guys. Like, we're talking 10 to 20 coins. So I reinstalled it and it seems to have fixed it. Alright, so now looking back at my account history, you can see I got my welcome bonus for joining Game Perks, and then I actually just earned 542 coins for playing Empires and Puzzles. That puts us at 5,000 coins. But now heading back to the games list, you can see that the games that Games Perk has is so low, okay? When it comes to the pay scale, this is just really not worth your time in my opinion, at least here in Australia, or at least with my phone. So maybe in your own country it's a bit better, but this is what I have, and I have to say I'm pretty disappointed all in all. I'm going to cash out my PayPal currency of 67 cents, everyone. I'll let you know on my Discord if I got paid or not, or in a future video. Alright, so it states payout success, and I should be paid apparently within 1 to 7 days. Being a Just Dice application, I'm not too worried. So look, all in all, the option's there for you. At least now you know about it. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.